my name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate named Navneet Kaur and candidate number 110844. Are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
Well, my name is Navneet Kaur. I'm 18 years old. I have recently passed my higher secondary from GCW school with academics of 95.6% and I want to be a doctor and want to pursue my career in medical field. Well, my hobbies are listening to music and sometimes dancing. I love to dance. As far as my family is concerned, we are a family of 5. It's all good.
What is your strength and weakness?
Well, I think my strength is I believe in God, and whenever I read the holy books, I feel I am confident and I do good with my works. But when it comes to these strength or something negative, then that's overthinking, because thinking sometimes leads to wrong decisions.
Okay. Are you doing something to improve your weakness?
Yes, I am. I am regularly checking whether I am not overthinking or overstressing the situations, so that I am able to pursue with everything which is quite well, and in well mannered everything is maintained.
Can you tell me something about your habits?
Well, yes, I have great habits, and my parents have brought up me in a very well mannered way. I daily get up early at 4 a.m. to worship God, and later on, after having bath in early morning, I pursue with cleaning up the home. Then finally I go to study for institutions, and after taking that I usually go to home and help my mother sometimes in her course.
What kind of good habits do you have?
Well, the very first thing which I would like to describe here is worshiping the God, then respecting my elders, then also having good friendships and harmonious relationship with everyone.
Do you think habits can be changed?
Yes, habits can be changed, because if one puts some stress over the things which is not well or is not managed well, then one can go for changing the habits.
Okay, I'll put you some more questions related to pen and pencils. Do you usually buy pen and pencils?
Yes, it is quite often that I come across situation when I need pencil and pen, so I often buy pencils from shops.
Do you prefer to write with a pen or pencil?
I prefer to write with pencil, because I feel pencil is the most comfortable way by which one can use and even go ahead with, because if there are even some mistakes out there, we can erase them and settle all things.
When was the last time you bought a pen or pencil for yourself?
Well, yesterday only I went to a shop and bought some pens for me and my sibling.
How often do you buy new pen and pencils?
Well, after a month, I usually go to buy pen and pencils.
Did you like to write with a pencil or pen when you were a child?
I like to write with pencil when I was a child, because I like to draw different kind of things. I had some interest in painting, so I every time used pencil.
How would you feel if someone gave you a pen or pencil as a gift?
Well, gift is something, even if it is small, but it is something, because I would say here, gift isn't something that one can have something big. Pencil is something, I mean to say here that there is nothing with pencil and pen. Even if it is small, I can have much pleasure with that, because it is a pride that someone is giving us something.
Do you spend a lot on pen and pencils?
No, I didn't spend much on pencil.
Okay, I'll put you some more questions related to the hairstyles. How often do you change your hairstyle?
It is quite often that I change my hairstyles. Mostly whenever there are occasions in my family, then I used to do different hairstyles, and even I like to do it over my cousin's hair.
Okay. And how do you enjoy going hairdresser shop?
No, I don't like going to hairdresser shops, because I feel it is just wastage of money. If we can do something by ourselves, we should pursue it.
Do you think these days people spend a lot of money on their hairs?
Yes, it is fact that mostly people are spending a lot of money over their hairs, doing different kind of treatments, especially chemical treatments, and these days smoothing and rebonding are quite a big trend among girls.
Would you like to change the color of your hair?
No, I would not like to change the natural color of my hair because I find that suits my personality and I am happy with that.
Okay. So this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 2 minutes to speak and 1 minute to think. If you want to make the notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 2. You have a 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak.
Can I make one?
Yes, please. Okay, start.
Well, there are many photographs in our rooms, in our house, which are related to different kind of situations. But the one which I would like to describe here and is worth mentioning is the photograph of Sydney Beach, which is Bondi Beach. Where, it was the time when I went with my family to Sydney, Australia, when I was doing my 11th standard studies. In my summer vacation, suddenly my family decided to visit to Sydney and apply for visa, tourist visa, so that we can have our great moments in our vacations and to get rid of all the hot weather conditions in India. Then finally in that year, when we got our visa, we were feeling ecstatic and we went there. Well, the photograph states a great view, which is consisting waves, showing that how waves are coming from ocean, and the shops related to which are there alongside the river, alongside the sea, and the beautiful sand is even seen. The day when we decided to go beach, we headed towards it with my family. I headed towards it with my family and went there alongside the beach. It was a beach named Bondi, and it was a large beach. Many people were there. Even in the photograph, we could see that many people were standing out there. And the photograph states everything that how we felt at that time. And that time, just whenever I see that photograph, I feel nostalgic related to it because it just arises the emotions and the time that how I felt much good, and that was a time which I felt was pure bliss, and I was blessed with much things in that time. And I want to spend more time even if I get some opportunity to go ahead with my family there. Well, I think this photograph is the best photograph, and whenever I look at that picture in my home, along with my siblings, we just recall all the moments which we had there.
Sufficient. Okay, this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to the photographs and artists. What are the advantages and disadvantages of taking photos with the smartphones?
Well, there are a lot of advantages of taking photographs with smartphones. To cite the first one, then that's we can remember the moments which we had spent the quality time with our near ones, and whenever we get time, we can check their photos and feel very good and remember the good times. Well, disadvantages are that nowadays people are just checking that we should have photograph instead of enjoying the real moments with the family.
Do you think photographers are artists?
Yes, photographers are indeed artists because whenever the common people or commoners take photos, there are some of defects or some of points are missing, or we could find our photos but whenever they take photographs, especially the artists, then their photos are such clear as well as everything is very beautiful.
Do you think art should be sold or preserved?
Well, I think it should be preserved instead of being sold, because art is one thing which doesn't need something value to be put over it, and so it should definitely be preserved.
Why do you think some artworks are very expensive, such as paintings?
Well, paintings are the ones which define the work of artists. So the ones which are expensive are because the people find interest in them. They find that it is something which could rouse some feelings and calmness. So when more people are interested in that thing, so usually higher values are imposed over such paintings.
Should kids be taught art from a young age?
Well, it all depends upon the desires and will of the children and kids, because we can't put stress over something. It all depends upon interest. Some children may not have interest in this field, so we can't ask them to have such knowledge.
Is it important for all people to get the opportunity to make arts?
Well, it is not important, but it all depends upon situation and person's interests. So we can't say that anyone should be taught or ought to be learned about such things.
Do you think art should be kept in the museum for the future generations?
Yes, art should be preserved and kept in the museums, because they just reflect that how our ancient artists have did their best works and showcased it.
Why do you think some art sold for a large sum of money?
Because the artists have did exceptional work and in a very better way, because we know that there are many artists and in this cutting edge era there is much competition, so most of the people are doing such works, but the one who are having high we could say that much skills, so that skills let that everything turn expensive.
What is the attitude to art in your country?
Well, art is highly reputed in our country, and mostly people believe that it should be given importance and everything should be respected, whether it is related to art field or any other field.
And how do you feel about arts?
Well, mostly from my initial stages, whenever I was in my school, I liked painting, and even still now I like painting and drawing, and even it is my hobby whenever I feel bored. So because it's my interest, I feel it should surely be one's goals.
Okay, Ramni, so this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.